Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Welcome po sa September 27 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 89 days na lang, Pasko na. Ang ating special features ay tungkol po sa telecoms. Pero tignan po muna natin ang ating mga headlines. At ito po ay galing ng BDO Securities. Mining Fiscal Regime Bill Hurdles House. So ito po yung royalty tax na 4% at 1 to 5% margin-based royalties and 1 1/10 of 1% royalties on gross output for small-scale farmers. Then Meg launches its biggest single tower in BGC. Ito po yung 54-story Uptown Modern na ito po ay mixed residential condominium with 1,000 units that is already furnished with a smart home technology. The next is FGen expects LNG terminal to be operational by end of 2023. But first, tignan po muna natin ang ating special feature at i-check lang po natin yung, well, before we go to the special feature, let's check if you have some comments here. I think I saw some. And tignan natin kung makikita po natin dito. Sige, basahin ko na lang. Sabi po ni Theometer Comtech, good PM. Request ko lang po MBT. Sige po. Thanks sir. Always watch your video. Learn a lot. Ito si Roy Melendres 6374. Then Felix Antonio, kaklase ko po ito. Thank you very much for sharing the informative and useful ideas, good analysis about companies of the stock market. Keep it up bro, ASAN, GMA, and Converge. Nagre-request ka ba or ano ito? Sinight mo lang yung mga stocks. So, anyway, salamat Felix, and see you around this Christmas party. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang ating special feature. Ito po yung tungkol sa Philippine Telecoms, attractive yields at bargain valuation. Ito po yung special feature ng BDO Securities. And a few days back, meron po nagtanong about TEL. And nagbigay po ako ng aking idea about TEL at based din po dito sa August 4. But this one is a more recent analysis on the Philippine Telecoms. So we're speaking of TEL, Globe, Converge, and Dito. Yan po, yung apat na po niyan. Pero ang kino-cover lang po ni BDO Securities ay tatlo, Converge, Globe, at PLDT or TEL. So, sabi po niya dito, attractive yields at bargain valuation, structural upside from rising digitalization overlooked. Lackluster earnings weighing on sector sentiment. So, the telco sector has underperformed with our covered names on concerns over lackluster earnings. Nonetheless, we think the sell down on the sector is overdone with investors looking structural growth prospects from rising digitalization as well as attractive dividend yields at bargain valuation. So, napakamura po ng mga stocks ngayon, especially the telecoms. Recovering revenue prospects in second half 2023. So, mukhang upbeat po dito si BDO Sec. The conclusion of the SIM registration process should improve ARPU clarity and therefore allow mobile users to develop more targeted value bundles for self-sensitive subscribers. Earlier, meron pong subscriber na nagsabi na maganda po ang subscription promo ni Dito, and they are really competing with the big two telecom companies. So prepaid fiber offerings could potentially revitalize consumer growth. And then emerging growth drivers in tech ventures and data centers. So magandang bright spot din po ito dahil yung mga data centers ay nagpo-prosper, no? Department of Information and Communications Technology indicated a five-fold increase in data center capacity in the country, meaning maganda po ang serbisyo na binibigay po ng current telecoms in terms of communication and internet provisions. No? Capex downscaling to improve free cash cows supports dividends. One of the things that I like with the Tel and Glow is that they give dividends. And ang estimate po ng dividend yield for Tel and Glow is 7.8 for Tel and 5.5 for Glow for 2022, ha? Sorry, 2024 forecast po yan. So mataas po yun. Converge naman has intentions of implementing a dividend policy in the first half of 2024. So overall, discount valuation present buying opportunities. So si Tel right now is, tingnan natin, has a target price of 1665 and based on yesterday's closing price, merong upside po siya na 40.3%. Samantalang ang Converge, ang target price po niya is 1740 and with yesterday's price of 920, it's 89.1% ang kanyang upside. No? Undervalued po si Converge. And finally, Globe Telecoms ay modest din po ang kanyang upside with a target price of 2265 or a 23.8% upside. So yun po, and telcos is a bright spot in our stock market. So tignan muna natin ang mga most active stocks ngayon, no? But first, let's take a look at the index. Today, ang time po ngayon ay 11 o'clock and the index is green pa rin, no? Green pa rin ang candlestick dito, pero dito it's just down 10 centavos or 10 points. So, nasa 62, 63.84 po siya. And if the short-term trend would continue, ay aakyat pa po itong index na ito. The most active stock right now is Ali, followed by CNPF, SMPH, and Bloom. Pareho pong mga pula, so mukhang nagpa-profit taking lang po ito. And then we also have active stocks following Bloom is BPI, AP, and SM. Pero tingnan po natin ngayon ang mga bangko. So may request po tayo kay MBT. Tuloy na po natin kay BPI, SECB, at BDO. So MBT po muna. Si MBT, yan, naku, bearish po si MBT. Pero tingnan po muna natin yung financials, no? Yan po yung financials. Tingnan natin to yung side by side, ano? Gawin natin one day. And then, ito naman si MBT. So, ang financials is recovering. At, lagyan natin ng indicators. Yan, ano? So, MBT compared to the financial chart, overall the financial chart is moving up on the short term. The MBT is somewhat bearish kasi ang nakikita ko dito kay MBT ay pababa po siya. Pero bounce po yung financials, ano? Kasi ang nagda-drive po dyan is BDO. So pababa po siya ngayon. Ngayon, kung ma-break po yung resistance po dito, ang resistance po niya nasa 54.26, nasa 53.10 po siya. Pero kung umakyat po siya at nahikitan po niya yung 54.26, so mabe-break na po ang channel. Meanwhile, the support based on the parallel channel is at 51.30 po ang pinaka support po niya, and MBT's channel is moving down compared to the financials here, which is the general direction is upward kasi mukhang na-break na po niya yung parallel channel dito. Dito po niya na-break. Ayan. Ganyan po. Yan. So far, ganyan po ang movement ng financials. Samantalang si MBT, na-break na po niya dahil nandito na po yung chart eh. Ayan yung dalawang candlestick. Pero based on our indicators, maano pa rin siya, no? Mababa pa rin siya or bearish trend pa rin siya. But the RSI has been moving up. Samantalang yung MBT naman, compared to that, ay pababa pa rin yung kanyang trend based po dito sa parallel channel. Yan po. Okay? Next naman po si BPI. Kung titingnan po natin na kita na ba natin? Kasi si MBT may buy rating po siya with an 81% upside, no? So mamaya natin tingnan yan. But BPI mukhang sideways po ang tingin ko dito. Yan, tama nga, sideways po siya. But on the short term, ganito po ang kanyang movement. Ganyan. So, ang support niya, nandito po sa 104, while the resistance at 111. So, halos resistance level na po siya. But this is just short term, ano? So, balik natin, lagyan natin ng indicator, sideways general movement. And then the third would be SECB. Si SECB naman, nagre-recover po si SECB, pero general direction is also downwards, no? Yan. Yan po. So, 77, 70 po siya. And the support is here at 73. 76 po ang pinaka-support niya. Then finally, we have BDO. BDO, ito yung tip ko sa inyo a few days back, di ba? Na BDO is very attractive. Yan po. Maakyat siya. So, kung makikita nyo po dito, yung financials niya and against BDO, very influential si BDO dito sa chart eh. Yan o. Halos namimimik po niya yung financials dahil siya yung pinaka-largest capitalized stock or name among the banks eh. So nakita niyo po dito, ito na po, na-break na po yung channel eh. Or within the channel pa rin, no? So kailangan ma-break po niya. More or less, ganyan po ang galaw ni BDO eh. So maakyat na po si BDO from this point here. Yan, mukhang recovering na po siya. So, ang tingin ko lang is that kung lumagpas po yan ng EMA100 and EMA50, maaring nagbago na po yung trend ni BDO. And maganda pong bumili niyan dahil it's more on capital appreciation. Maliit lang po yung kanyang dividend, although nag-increase na po siya from 30 centavos per share to 75, no? Yan po. So, among the three covered banks, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Metro, and Security Bank, ang pinaka-undervalued po is Metro Bank dahil ang target price po niya is 81 with the current price of 53, 52.5% upside. This is followed by Security Bank. Target price is 106 at 77.50 yesterday's price po yan, or a 36 or almost 37% upside. And the third is BPI at 25% upside. Target price is 138. So yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-27 ng Setyembre. Ang sabi po ni Warren Buffett, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. And support our athletes in the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, China. Maraming pong salamat.